This is a big day for us at School of Motion. We just hit 500,000 subscribers. 500,000 people are subscribed to our YouTube channel. And so I just wanted to say a few words. The first words I want to say are thank you. I mean, I can honestly say that when I started School of Motion, I had zero clue if it would work, and if it did work, how well it would work. And when I show up at work every day and I see my team making amazing stuff constantly, and I see all of our students making amazing stuff, and all the opportunities that our students are getting, they're getting freelance gigs, they're getting promotions, they're getting new jobs entirely, and new skills. It literally blows my mind the School of Motion has turned into what it's turned into. And I don't really chase metrics. I don't really care about views and numbers and stuff like that. I care a lot more about results. But I don't know, 500,000 YouTube subscribers, there's something kind of crazy about that number. And so I want to thank each and every one of you that have hit subscribe. And by the way, if you're watching this and you haven't hit subscribe, this would be a great time to do it, because we're not gonna stop at 500,000. Help us get to 1 million. I want that gold play button behind me. It's been a pretty wild period for School of Motion over the last 2 years. We've had a ton of changes. The biggest change was kind of moving from selling courses one at a time to our all access membership, which has been way more successful than I could possibly have imagined it would be. And what that's opened up for us as School of Motion is the ability to teach a lot more things and work with a lot more instructors and teach in new ways. When we started All Access, we weren't doing live events. We weren't really doing live portfolio reviews and bringing in guests to do workshops and all of that stuff. We just had the courses. But, since we launched it, we now have a live event every single week inside the community. And the reason we're able to do that is because we have, an audience that shows up to watch videos like this, and we have students that show up to take part in the courses and the workshops and the reviews and the office hours and turning in homework to get their credential and get critique and all of those things that we offer. And so it's really a testament, I think, to the power of not just the School of Motion audience, but the motion design community in general. We are a community of lifelong learners, all of us. If you're in this field and you want to stop learning and just keep doing what you've been doing, you're going to have a bad time. You basically have to keep learning to stay relevant in this field. And if you didn't know that before, now you know, and I'm sorry to be, the one that had to break it to you, but that's just kind of the way it works. But I think that's actually a really beautiful thing, especially if you're part of All Access. You'll see that, there are artists from all over the world, and I mean literally almost every country out there, and all ages, all different backgrounds, different skill sets, beginners, people who've been in it for 25 years, and everybody's trying to get better. Even the people whose work you look at and you admire and it makes you want to quit because it's so good, they're trying to get better, and they're always trying to learn stuff too. So here is to the next 500,000 subscribers and the next 5,000 School of Motion All Access members. We have so much planned for the rest of this year and beyond. We are accelerating our course production. We are obviously going to be teaching a lot of new things. This year, we've already expanded our Unreal catalog. We released a Cavalry course. We're releasing more Rive training, Figma training. Of course, we're going to be teaching AI, and probably a lot of it. We have an AI workshop that we are shooting in August. And we're going to be constantly trying to find ways to make All Access even better, even more valuable. We're launching Learning Paths very shortly, which is going to be really great, because now you're going to have a path to go from zero to wherever you want, and you'll know what order to take the courses in and how they fit together. And for teams, we'll actually be able to create custom learning paths for you. We've been experimenting with some in-person training with some of our B2B teams, and we look forward to doing more of that for the people out there that are really into hands-on workshops with our amazing stable of artists and instructors that we work with. So there's a lot of exciting stuff coming from School of Motion this year and beyond. I want to thank you again for being even a tiny part of our community. Even if you just watch these YouTube videos and you never sign up for All Access and you never even hit the like button or the subscribe button, I still really appreciate you taking any part of your day to watch our content. I hope it adds value. I hope you get something from it, no matter how small that is. And that's it. I just want to say thank you. And I'll do another one of these when we hit 1 million. So click subscribe.